Cecil. Today I will interview you.
Hi, my name is Pokpong.
Hi, I'm Oba.
I am Pin.
Hi, I'm Doctor.
It is a simple question to ask you. Firstly, what game do you play regularly? And second, how much money did you spend on your game?
I think I usually play ROV and I didn't spend anything on this game.
I play Left 4 Dead 2 and I spend 40 baht for this game.
I play Roblox and I didn't spend anything.
For me, I play Free Fire and I spend 50 baht for Free Fire.
Wow, it's a really economical way to play a game. Thank you all of you for information. Your BP NTL News Report.